Okay, so first of all, the MSLA report was an eye opener. I got least mark for putting others first, which I thought like what I was good at, so which was an eye opener. But honestly, I came to the servant leadership because I usually have night shift and I don't get to socialize. So today, for 2 days, I get to socialize. So yeah, that's what my aim was.
Okay. Okay, daily we will think we should improve. So, but what to improve and how to improve was a confusion always. So now we understand like we have things to improve and there are steps on which we could focus and which will help us improve. What to do, we are confused always. So here it is listed out what we can do, what we can compare ourselves to, how we can do, and that is actually help us on what we can do to become a better person. So, and in the session also we felt like the servant leadership is followed within the session also. All were behaving very good and we are happy. I felt happy that I selected to, I chose to join this session and attend this. Thank you.
Actually, when name came from for the registration of leadership, servant leadership, I think that what happening here and all. So I just check that, just go and see what is happening here and all. So and after that, that MSLA report came. I think why it's for and what's the purpose of this. But after coming here, I understand what the purpose and what the outcome I get from here with the reports and the what happening here also.